Another day, another English lesson. Talking about the future, plans versus schedules. Hello everyone. Let's talk about the future. In English, we often use the present tense to talk about what will happen later. I know, it sounds a little strange, but it's very useful. Today, we will learn about two ways to do this. One for your personal plans, and one for official schedules. Present continuous for future. Your personal plans. Think about your life. What are you doing this weekend? Maybe you are meeting a friend, you are watching a movie, or you are having dinner with your family. These are your personal plans and arrangements. You decided to do them, and you are sure they will happen. For these kinds of future events, we use the present continuous. Examples of the present continuous for future plans. I am flying to Paris next Tuesday. I have the ticket. They are visiting us tomorrow. We talked about it and agreed. She is working this evening. It's her plan for the day. So, if you have decided something and made a plan for it, use the present continuous tense. 2. Simple present for future. Official schedules. Now, let's think about things you don't control. For example, what time does the movie start? What time does your train leave? When does the class begin? These are fixed schedules, like for buses, trains, movies, classes, or concerts. The time is set by a company, a school, or another official place. You cannot change it. For these fixed schedules, we use the simple present. Examples of the simple present for schedules. My flight leaves at 9 a.m., according to the airline's schedule. The movie starts in 10 minutes, according to the cinema's schedule. The meeting begins at 3 p.m. It's on the official calendar. So remember, for things that are on a timetable, use the simple present. Let's compare. Look at these two sentences. I am taking the train to London tomorrow. This is my plan. I decided to go. The train leaves at 7:30. This is the train's official schedule. I don't control it. See the difference? The first sentence is about my intention. The second sentence is about the fixed time on the timetable. It's simple. You use the present continuous for your diary and the simple present for a public timetable. Now, watch and complete the sentence with the simple present or the present continuous of the verb in parentheses. One. The new superhero movie starts at 7:30 and 9:45 tonight. Two. They are moving to their new apartment this weekend. Three. The fast train to Seoul departs from platform 4 in 5 minutes. Four. We are having a video call with our cousins tonight. Five. The science class begins at 10:15 every morning. Six. She is flying to Rome for her vacation next week. Seven. The bakery opens at 6 a.m. tomorrow. 8. He is taking a yoga class tomorrow evening. 9. The online game server closes for maintenance at midnight. 10. I am meeting my friend for coffee after work today. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos.